Hi everyone, this is Ruturaj and welcome to our channel Joint. In today's video, we'll be seeing a new strategy, that is calendar spread. So calendar spread is nothing but optimized hedging. So what does this mean? Let's see with an example. So what we do in hedging, say for example at 2000 we sold a call here, right? And then far out of the money, so for example at 2500 we buy a call. This is normal hedging. Now you should ask yourself a question, that which month call you should sell and which month call you should buy. So say for example the current month is June, right? So whenever you are selling a call, try to sell it for the next month. Say for example here you have sold the call for July, and whenever you are buying a call, try to buy near month or this month's call. So for example the current month is June, so you would be buying a call of June. Now why are we doing this? So whenever you are selling a call of the next month or of our next month, say for example we sold here at July, so here time decay would not have happened, right? So the premium value you would be getting is very high. That's what you want. So you want high premium as a seller. So yeah, if you sell the call of next month, then you would be getting high premium as the time decay would not have happened. Now in hedging your position, you are buying a call far out of the money. Now you want to give as low as possible premium, right? Because you are hedging your position for margin benefits. So here if you buy the call of June, this current month, time decay would already have happened, right? So here the premium that you have to give is very low. So that's what you want. So you want to get maximum premium and give minimum premium because you are hedging your position. Imagine that you have bought this call at July month. So in this case this premium would be comparatively higher because the time decay still has not happened. This is the logic of calendar spread. So here you would be selling the call for the next month and you would be buying the call as near as possible, or the near month or this month. So this is the benefit of calendar spread. I hope you got to learn something new in this video. In the next video we will be seeing a new concept. Till then, thank you, take care, bye bye.